Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to copy data from one Smartsheet to another. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to copy data from one Smartsheet to another? Maybe you're working on a project with a team member and you need to share your data with them. Or maybe you're just trying to keep your data organized. Smartsheet is a powerful spreadsheet tool that can be used to manage projects, track tasks, and collaborate with others. It's a great tool for keeping your data organized and up to date. There are a few different ways to copy data from one Smartsheet to another. The best way for you will depend on your specific needs. Method 1. Copy and paste. This is the most basic method and it's easy to do. Simply select the data you want to copy, right-click, and select Copy. Then go to the other Smartsheet and paste the data. Method 2. Use the Import, Export feature. This method is more powerful than the copy and paste method, and it allows you to import data from a variety of file formats, including CSV, Excel, and JSON. To use this method, simply go to File, Import, Export. Method 3. Use the Smartsheet API. This method is the most advanced, and it allows you to programmatically copy data from one Smartsheet to another. This method is best suited for experienced users who are familiar with programming. Additional tips. When copying data from one Smartsheet to another, it's important to make sure that the columns and formats match. If you're copying a large amount of data, it's best to use the Import-Export feature or the Smartsheet API. If you're copying sensitive data, it's important to encrypt the data before you copy it. Copying data from one Smartsheet to another is easy to do, as long as you know the right method. I hope this video has helped you learn how to do this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Smartsheet tips and tricks.